Hello world, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I'm going to share with you a new topic. That topic name is make money online using Instagram. So please watch my full video and follow or subscribe my channel. That's why you'll be able to see my all content even while I'll publish my every single content into my channel, and I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your make money online learn. So this is time for let's begin. Don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us, you and me. In this modern generation, people are searching like google.com, youtube.com, how can I make money online, but they can't find a better solution. They are proved again with scam method. In this video I'm going to share with you 100% proven method. If you applying this method, that time you will be able to make money from online with the simple method or the simple criteria like instagram.com. Affiliate marketing on Instagram, this is one of the great, and this is one of the great and incredible method to earn money from online. Just like promote your product using reels plus stories in link in bio. Number one is how to monetize, like Amazon affiliate, digital product courses like courses, ebooks, tool, and reels ideas. Three tools I use daily, no face needed. And number two is sell your digital product like that. Get one sell unlimited time. This is called a passive income. You just get one time, and this one time will give you more time earning opportunity. Number two is like Instagram caption templates, Reels hook pack, and Canva templates like English speaking PDF and Notion planners. Number three is Instagram theme page plus monetization. This is one of the great, and this is one of the great opportunity for making online in this modern generation. 2026 is coming very soon. Last 4 days remaining for to go 2026, but you can't make money online. This is a failure. So please don't waste your time and earn from online, because the people are earning from online day by day, month by month. So why you can do this? Because it's your mistake, it's your failure. That's why you can't be able to earn money from online. Profitable niche like motivation, quotes, English learning, business tips, and AI tools. Waste one like page short out and affiliate link like your own product. Number four is Instagram Reels automation. No face needed. This is called a faceless method, like no talking, no showing faces, content types stocks, videos plus text, AI voiceover, and subtitle only. Monetization like affiliate links, sales reel templates, and group pairs and sell them. Number five is sales service using Instagram like content writing, caption writing, reels editing, Canva design, and English coaching. Number six is drop shipping via Instagram, like viral reels equal free topic, like problem solving item like trending gadget like beauty tools. Number seven is Instagram coaching consulting, not English speaking course, Instagram growth course, and affiliate marketing course. Number eight is AI content plus Instagram like AI quotes pages, AI voice reels, and AI tools reviews. Number nine is brand deals. Even a small account doesn't matter. Even 5K or 20K followers is enough. Strong niches like plus engagement. Number 10 is print on demand promotion like t-shirt, mug, and phone cases. So thank you everyone for watching my theoretical part. Now I will showing with you step by step with practical part. That's why you will be able very easily of this kind of method earn from Instagram. So please watch my full video until I finish this. Follow or subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my content, and I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your make money online journey with Instagram. So please stay kind with me, and I will publish this kind of more content into my channel. That's why you must have follow or subscribe my channel. So this is time for bye. See you soon with another effective content. Bye.